9:43 p.m., June 19th, 2021, Saturday night. Hearing loud sounds like cannon or fireworks, but can't see the fireworks. Echoing through the hills up here right now. Not sure if somebody has a cannon or gun they're firing off for fun, maybe, but they're very loud. Wondering if anybody else heard them. All the dogs in the neighborhood are going nuts, including my little girl here. She's whining on the deck by me. You never know in these hills. It's not usually anything bad, except maybe like the hunting or fireworks or something, but really loud. I feel sorry for my neighbors who have children or they themselves are older and go to bed early. Man, crazy. It's okay, girl. You're right by Mama. We're okay. We're okay. It's okay, baby. I know. Between the thunderstorms, and whoever's making all the noise now, it's kind of loud for you. I know, baby. We'll go in soon. You're a good girl. We'll go in from the deck. Well, a couple minutes in, I don't know if they're gonna make a blast again or what. Don't even know where they are. Things can echo through the hills up here. It's still a little daylight out, dusk time to be doing fireworks, so I don't know. Some people up here are crazy enough to have cannon or blast off different kinds of dynamite every once in a blue moon, or shoot their guns for fun at targets. Don't know what it was. But I'm not afraid. I'm assuming somebody's just blowing off steam, even though I don't particularly care for it. Or maybe celebrating summer's coming or Father's Day. Or maybe they're people from out of town up for the weekend at their camp. We get that too, and they act like they're in the wilderness up here and can race around on their four-wheelers wherever they want and shoot their guns and fireworks. Yeehaw. Who knows? Mind you, not everybody that comes up as a so-called tourist is bad. There's some really nice people too, and I don't blame them for wanting to come out to the country and